Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Fine? Great. I hope that everyone has understood what the poet tried to explain us through his poem Problem Solving. He said that one should be strong and confident enough to handle big as well as the small problems in life. One should never try to run away from difficult situations. Children, you should always be ready to face new challenges in life. Never show your back to such challenges. Never try to escape from problems. Rather, fight like a hero, as you all are doing now, by staying safe at home and fighting with a problem named Corona, isn't it? Yes? Children, even the most complex problems may have a simple solution. We just have to change the way we think about them and look at them. This reminds me of an interesting story. Do you all want to listen to you listen to it? Are you all ready? So here we go. This is a story about a father and his daughter. Here we go. A father was engrossed in his work with his little while his little daughter constantly distracted him in an attempt for him to make him play with her. That means the father was really busy doing his work while the girl wanted to play with her father, so she was continuously distracting him. To keep her busy, the man tore a page of printed map of the world from a magazine into pieces and asked her to go to her room and put them together to make the map again. The daughter was very young, but the father was really clever. He was pretty sure that she would take hours to get it done. She would take hours to do it. But to his surprise, just within few minutes, the girl was out of her room, and the father got stunned. He was shocked, and he asked his daughter how she could solve the puzzle so quickly. She answered, Daddy, there is a woman's face on the other side of the paper. When I made the face perfect, I got the map right. The father was really amazed to hear his little girl. So, children, what do you get to learn from this story? That there is always the other side to whatever you experience in this world. Whenever we come across a challenge or a puzzling situation, always look at the other side of it. You will be really surprised to see different approaches, different ways to tackle the problem, to tackle the situation, isn't it? How many of you really convinced with the story? How many of you really now think that giving up is not the solution, but to fight with the problems is the ultimate solution? So, what's the mantra? Be positive, be optimistic, never run away from difficult situations. Great. So, I have a task for you all now. No, you're getting me wrong. I won't make you right much. I'll give you two situational questions. Two questions which have problem involved in it. You just have to find the way. You just have to find the how to tackle with it. You just have to find that way. So are you all ready? My first situational question. You wake up and see that your alarm never went off. So you are starting your morning 15 minutes later than you planned. It is a really important day at school and you cannot afford to be late. What will you do in such a situation, children? Do think it over and come up with a good answer. My situation number 2. The question is, you went to meet a friend of yours, and your friend's mom piled your plate with a lot of food. The food looks really great, tempting, delicious, and you want to eat it all. But you cannot because you just ate a snack. What will you do in such a situation so that you don't hurt your friend's mom feelings? What will you do in such a situation? Please think over such problems and find out good, positive solutions. And whenever we meet, we'll discuss them. I am really, really, really dying to meet you all. Do you all want to come to school now? Are you all missing the school? Yes, me too. Now let's do the poem once again. Students, repeat after me. I think I've got the answer, miss. The answer's 41. The answer's nothing like it, Jack. Just show me what you've done. I've nothing here to show you, miss. I did it in my head. In that case, Jack, next time please use the abacus instead. I think I found the trouble, miss. The answer's 53. I'm sorry, Jack. It's nothing like. Come here and copy me. The next day, Jack was talking with his dad and with his mum. So, Jack, they said, did you find out the answer to that sum? I did, said Jack, although I couldn't do it in my head. I found a way to get Miss Clark to work it out instead. Children, isn't it an interesting and a fun-filled poem? Yes. So let's start with our exercises. First one is match the lines from the poem with their meaning. Side A. I did it in my head. The answer's nothing like it. Come here and copy me. I think I found the trouble. Side B. Let me solve the sum for you. I solved the sum mentally. I found my mistake. It is not the correct answer. Isn't it easy? Will you be able to do it by your own? Then take out your rough notebooks and start doing it. Question B. Answer the questions with reference to the context. I think I've got the answer, miss. The answer's 41. Children, who says these lines? Right, the teacher said these lines, isn't it? No? Parents. Then who? Yes, Jack said these lines. Absolutely correct. Next one. How does the speaker get the answer? He used the abacus, isn't it? No? Very good. He answered by calculating in his mind. Great going. What does the teacher tell the speaker? Exactly. The teacher tells the speaker to use abacus for calculations. Great, children. That means you all have understood the poem really well. Okay, now see. Answer these questions briefly. How many attempts did Jack make to solve the sum? 2, 3, 4. How many of you say 4? Wrong. How many of you say 3? Is it correct? No. What's the correct answer? The correct answer is he made 2 attempts by answering 41 and then 53. Correct. Next. Why did Jack have nothing to show the teacher? Exactly, because he did all the calculation in his mind. He wrote nothing in the notebook, so he had nothing to show to the teacher. What was the easy way that Jack found to solve the sum? Exactly. He went to Miss Clark and copied the answer. Great children. You all are thorough with the poem. Very good. Now in the next class we'll be doing few more questions. Till then, go through the poem and attempt all these questions on your own. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter and few questions of problem solving. Have a good day. Bye bye.